Hello everybody, this is Wilkie from Africa Gigsters, and today I'd like us to go through the different user types we have here at Africa Gigsters. So straight into it, we have 4 user types at Africa Gigsters. We have the visitor. These are the user account types we have. So the first thing you need to know is that the user types are automatically assigned and updated based on the user's interaction with the website. Okay, so we have the visitor user type, we have the guest user type, we have the member user type, and we have the agency user type. So I'd like us to go through each of the user types so that you get to understand the 4 user types. Okay, so let's start with the visitor user type. The visitor user type, this is someone who does not have an account with Africa Gigsters. This person has not yet registered with Africa Gigsters. So this is someone who can just input the this is someone who can go to the website and see the kind of the gigs we have at the website. The person can look at the featured jobs. You can see all the categories. You can browse through the jobs. You can click on one job and see what is being offered by that freelancer. Like for this, for example, this is for portfolio web design. You can come here, see the description of what the person is selling or the kind of service the freelancer is offering. You can check the profile of the person. Okay, but if you can message the person. Okay, you can see the different gigs this person offers. So that's the first user account, which is the visitor user account. Now, the visitor user account, you can see the jobs, but you can't bid for a job unless you have an account. Okay, so for the example for this one, if you want to make an offer, you have to have an account. Okay, because as a freelancer, you'll not be able to communicate with someone who does not have an account in the website. Okay, so for somebody to make an offer or make a payment for a gig, that person needs to be at least the second user type, which is a guest. Okay, so that brings us to the second user type, which is a guest. Now, a guest is someone who has registered with Africa Gigsters but does not have any gig or has not posted any gig into the website. This is just someone who has an account with us but no gig whatsoever. Okay, so this person can register. After you register, you can always sign in. Signing in is the same as logging in. So for instance, we can put our email here. Let's use this one here. Then the password. Okay. Okay, so if you have an account which is a user account, the second user account, which is the guest, it will be written here that you are a guest. In this case, this tab here, your dashboard tab, it will not indicate any job here. Here it will write 0. So in that case, you are a guest. You don't have any gig you have posted, but you can buy gigs, you can bid gigs from freelancers in the website. That's the user account for guest. The third user account type we have is the member user type. Okay, the third user account type we have is the member. Now for a member, this is someone who has registered in the platform, who has confirmed his email account with the platform, and has posted at least one gig in their account. By gig, this is what I mean. You have 2 jobs that you have posted. Like for this account, you can see there is 1 gig here. I will build you a WordPress website. So if you have at least 1, then automatically the system upgrades you to a member. Okay, you become a member because you have a gig that you have posted, at least 1. Okay, so that's for the member. The fourth and last type we have is the agency. Now, agency type, it means you have 2 or more jobs that you have posted. Maybe if you have posted 4 jobs, 5 jobs, and maybe you made like 3 or 4 sales, the system automatically upgrades you to an agency membership. Okay, so like for this account here, this is an agency account, because you can see this account has 2 jobs and this account has made 5 orders. Okay, this account has made 5 orders, as you can see. This account has made 5 orders. This account has built 5 websites for different clients. As you can see, all of them have been accepted. So if you've done multiple orders and you have multiple jobs, the system will automatically upgrade you to an agency level. So we have, just as I've said, we have 4 different user accounts, which is the visitor, guest, member, and agency. For a visitor, this is someone who doesn't have an account with Africa Gigsters, but he is able to look at the different jobs. He is able to see the different gigs in the website. Then if this person wants to buy a gig or pay for a gig, you have to have an account with Africa Gigsters. Now that's when you get the second user account type, which is the guest. Now as a guest, you are able to buy jobs, you are able to pay for gigs, and you yourself as a guest, you are able to create your own gig. Now after you create your own gig, the system automatically upgrades you to a member, because you've already put 1 gig in the website, at least 1 gig in the website. Then when you now do multiple jobs, you have multiple gigs in your website, it automatically upgrades you to an agency member. So those are the 4 different types of those are the 4 different user types we have for Africa Gigsters. Feel free to ask us any questions, ask the admin team any questions about anything you'd like to know. You can message us through Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and you can also contact us through our WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is +254 708 906 667. Let me repeat that again. Our WhatsApp number is +254 708 906 667. Yeah, so stay tuned. In the next video, I'm going to take you through how to create an account and how to add gigs. So cheers everyone.